നടൻ മധുവിന്റെ വസതിയിൽ ഗവർണറും സുരേഷ് ഗോപിയും ഓണാശംസ നേരാനെത്തിയപ്പോൾ
That is what I now, the new gen films should have at least the crux of a story, otherwise people will not listen. The transactionary limits have been, they do it in a different, the new gen, but for in fact, he has done the best new generation film till date, which came out in 74, 72, 1972 he made a film. He was the